Welcome to Learning Unit number 7. In Learning Unit number 7, we're going to really look at and analyze the reasons why we should evaluate health promotion programs. We're going to also decide on both goals and some people call them outcomes, some people call them objectives for group health promotion programs. These objectives need to be measurable and time sensitive. We're going to use the SMART acronym to discuss that further. And we're going to assess the quality of mobile health applications that can be used in health promotion. And I want to give you the chance to think about using these in your health promotion projects. So you're going to start by reading Chapter 10, Evaluating Health Promotion Programs, and you're going to review the posted content and web links. It looks like I have that twice. You're going to be working on your wiki, and this is wiki number 4, which is asking you to determine expected objectives / outcomes for the project. And you're going to complete discussion board number 7. So you start by reading chapter 10 in your text. It is a very important chapter, so I ask that you pay attention to it and maybe read it in different sittings so that you can better digest it. You're going to want to make sure that your health promotion program has, and then how are you going to meet the objectives? That's why it's got to be measurable. So we're going to start by looking at mobile health applications. And here's an article on mobile health applications. What I'm asking you, because it's long, that you read pages 1 and 2, and then the conclusion of page 14. Your text also speaks about mobile health applications, e-health applications. So I ask that you focus in on that section of chapter 10. A quick little read, a little video about how do I really know different websites are credible? What are you looking for? How do you evaluate some websites to make sure that they are credible? I think that's important as you're planning a health promotion project. I've seen numerous students pull information from sites that really aren't credible. So just a quick little update. Your discussion board is going to ask you about mobile health applications. So after your readings, both in the text, and these are the pages 243 to 245, and that article on mobile health apps, I want you to answer the following questions, and I'll let you read through that. And then double check the criteria in table 10.4 of your text. So that's the mobile health application, and you might come up with some really neat ideas because there are some phenomenal apps for mobile health apps. So I really ask that you consider it for your project, but you would need to be a little bit specific about it. So the SMART objectives, when I say an objective is SMART, that's an acronym. It means it's very specific. Who and what. It's measurable. How much, and it's time bound. By when? So what are you expecting the change? By when? Is it achievable? And when you're doing a health promotion project, please listen to this. You need it to develop one that is achievable. And you're not doing some grandiose project. You're doing a little tiny project because you need to make sure that if you would implement it, you're going to do everything but actually implement it, that it could be achievable. It could work. It could be done. And is it relevant? Is there evidence to support it? So we've been going through the evidence. Now we're getting a little bit more specific about what's our population and, really narrowing that down to a very specific group and population. So I'm not going to leave you just with that. There is a wonderful tip sheet that I just located on not only developing your goals, what's your aim, what do you want to accomplish, but those very specific objectives or outcomes. By the end of your health promotion program, what do you want to happen? That you're going to make them use the SMART acronym. And what are the strategies you're going to do? What's the actual work you're going to do? Are you going to develop educational materials? What are you really going to do to meet those objectives or outcomes? There's another article if you really are getting into it, because you're going to see that your group wiki needs you to list those objectives or outcomes. So another article that might help you writing measurable outcomes using the SMART method is here. It's optional. I don't want to overload you with information. I think this is really clear and concise, but I want to give you another option. And then you're working on wiki number 4. We already told you that you're determining your expected objectives or outcomes for your project. And please make sure that all members are contributing to this group and that you're all working on wiki number 4. Have a great week, and I know I'm already meeting with one team, so please reminder that I am very happy to meet via Zoom with teams and to help you further your project.